Hey, I would like to tell you about this tooth whitening powder. This is some really interesting stuff. It's by, I'm going to say Fleird because it looks like weird with an FL. And let's look at what it looks like inside. So it has this pop top and it's a purple fine powder on the inside. Now I have used tooth powder before and it had like a narrow opening. It was so hard to get my toothbrush in there. So I appreciate that this has a very wide opening. So I'm going to wet my toothbrush. My toothbrush is wet. And then all you do is dip your toothbrush into the powder like that. It's still dripping. And now I'm going to brush my teeth. It's getting sudsy. I'm all done when you're done. I'm all done. It removes surface stains really well. And you can use it, whenever you brush your teeth, you can use the powder. And it's minty, and the fine milled texture of it makes it real gentle in your mouth and on your teeth. And I think it works really well. So I recommend it. Thanks.